when I highlighted my wife's hair 20 years ago, God, when we were first getting together, I didn't even do a good job. You could barely see it, but she has dark hair, and we put red in there, and she looked and she goes, "Oh my God." I said, "What?" And I'm thinking, I know you can't see it, huh? She goes, "It's like hooker red." I said, "What's hooker red?" I'm thinking, I don't think that's a color. But I was like, she just felt like she was not
It was
classy.
a change. It was a change, as subtle as it was. It was a change.
She didn't think she looked classy anymore. And I was like, first of all, I didn't do a great job. You can barely see it. I can't even, like, if you get under the bright sunlight, it just looks like a faded brown. It's got a little red tinge to it. It hardly looked unclassy. But anyway, yeah, the slight change in her head was huge, so much so that it got me. I didn't have my poker face then, because I was like, you know what? I wanted her to like me, so I was a little disappointed that she didn't like something I did. So it was like, oh my God, the end of the world. But it was just simple. It was, and normally somebody says they look at they don't say anything. Like you said, you can see it on their face. Most people look in the mirror, and you're like, you have to sometimes be the first one to say, "Oh my God, this looks so good," don't you think? And they're thinking, well, that's not what I was. Maybe
what those glasses are you wearing? What are you talking about?
No, but sometimes they just need to be encouraged to think it looks good. Are we still on topic? I feel like we were supposed to talk more about money.
Because redos is a thing. Being the ability to be able to charge for a redo versus figuring out who should pay for it. Should that even be a topic in the conversation? So building in profit margins really helps to alleviate, if God forbid, and when a redo situation comes up, or some kind of static, if the client thinks they don't like it for whatever reason. The other kiss, the last kiss of death I'll talk about, then we'll move on to the next one, is they're happy, you're happy, looks great, it really does. They go home and freaking family does not notice, or does notice and has some crack ass opinion that they should have kept to themselves.
Yep, that's common.
Negative Nancy's, right?
Yeah.
And now the client comes back and she's like, I did like it, but now I don't like it,
Yeah, so, their husband says, "What did you do?"
So you gotta be prepared, and that cost of doing business has to be built into your pricing strategy for you to be able to absorb that additional time that, I don't want to say is going to be wasted, but it's going to be dedicated. It's going to be extended time that you were not planning for.
Right. Hiring a man to take care of the people that didn't like the hair that you did. Did you even hear this? Did you hear?
Yeah, I mean, sometimes that's
whatever it takes. Yeah, whatever.
How they say your intrusive thoughts.